Welcome to another video. I had so much fun filming my last blindfold video. Go check that out if you haven't yet. So in this video, we are taking it up a notch. Let's get prepped first. Okay, so now that everything's prepped, the only thing left to do is get blindfolded. And I know I've done this before, but it's still making me nervous because this time I'm not only picking the colors blindfolded, but I'm actually doing all of the art blindfolded.
This is next level.
So wish me luck. Here goes. Okay. That's on, and the nervousness has just gone up here now. Okay, so I guess the first thing for me to do now is pick the colors.
I think you should shuffle them first.
You're not making this easy for me, are you? Okay.
I think it'll be way more interesting.
Fine. Shuffling. Shuffling. Somewhat shuffling. I don't even know if I have them in a straight line anymore.
I think that's good enough.
Yeah, good.
Straight enough and shuffle.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for 4 colors. We have a black canvas. Ideally, I do want like bright colors, but obviously that's an ideal world. We'll see what we get. So 4 colors going on with the first one. I think I'm gonna go for this. This one.
What do you think it is?
I think it's orange. I wish it's orange.
Okay, and should I tell you if you're right or wrong? No, right?
No, I don't want to know. But you guys watching would know, but I think it's orange. I hope it's orange. It's actually more visual thinking than it is. But I'm going to put that to the side and hopefully that's on the table still. I haven't heard it knock over, so that's a good thing. Okay, next one. Number 2. Oh, this or this. I touched them both. Don't know. Okay, this. Green. I mean, you gotta give me some response, anything.
It's quite interesting to be on this end of the camera.
Okay. Interesting is all I'm getting from you. Okay. That's green.
I'm not gonna give you much.
In my head, that's green. Okay, orange and green. Yeah? Okay, so again, those are sitting next to each other. Next, let's go to this end. Yeah, okay. Let's go with this extreme left one. Like, I'm so nervous right now, I've forgotten what colors we had to begin with. Okay, yellow.
How is this possible?
I hope and wish this is a yellow because I feel like orange. What did the other one I say? Blue, green?
You said green.
Green. Orange, green, yellow might be fun, like nice, bold, bright colors against the black. So I'm saying yellow. Once again, I'm getting nothing from you. Okay, last color now. Right, okay, I think these are the bottles left. This one. And I want to say blue.
He's a witch!
So orange, green, yellow, blue. And if that's the case, I would be very happy, like honestly. And if I got that right, like I am onto something. So I'm gonna put these ones to the side because we're not using those.
I think you can move them a bit more to the side so you have more space.
Except I don't know.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I feel like that's literally the edge. Okay.
Oh, that was close.
Okay, so these are the ones we're working with. I don't even know if I'm in the frame right now. Okay, but this is that, it's gonna be that kind of a video, you guys, so bear with me. Okay, canvas is here. So my brain is thinking we're gonna do a bit of a dirty pour situation or a flip cup, if you like. I'm gonna pour the colors, layer them up, hopefully flip a cup on the canvas and not on the table, and then do a little bit of fertility action and try and get that paint all over the canvas.
And hopefully only on the canvas.
And only on the canvas. I mean, you know, we are going to get drips on the table. There's a very nice couch next to me. So one should hope this video doesn't become a whole other video with me getting paint on the couch. So yeah, okay. I'm fairly confident.
I think you should move the canvas a bit further away from you so it's more in the center, yeah. So
Yeah,
the
is that
splashes
good?
stay on the table. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. And then I want to reach for the cups. Where are the bloody cups?
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna see where this goes. This is way more interesting.
I'm sure, okay, at least tell me I had them on the table.
They're on the table. You're getting
Close.
way colder.
Oh, colder, okay.
Warmer, 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 warmer.
Okay, yeah, got them. Okay.
You managed to get them without dropping anything. That's impressive.
Yeah, okay. Don't speak too soon. I feel like this any minute could go so horribly wrong. Okay, that's on the side somewhere. I have a cup. I think I'm only going to need the one. I'm going to move these off the canvas, or maybe they were already off the canvas. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give these a little shake and start to put them in the cup. And I'm obviously not going to know how much of what I'm putting in. So if I'm like overfilling the cup, a prompt would be good. If you think I'm struggling. If you'd like to see me struggle, then don't. Hey guys. Is anything even coming out?
It sure is.
Okay. Okay, so
Not
that's that.
You should probably try to close that bottle, but
No, I might want to add some more of that in later. I don't really know what I'm doing, just so everyone is aware. Okay. That's the next one. Is something coming out?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I can feel the cup getting heavy. So hopefully I'm not reaching for the ones I didn't end up picking.
No, you're fine.
I feel like I'm getting close to filling this up. That's not cheating, is it? Let's do a little bit more. Right, last one, where are you? Okay. Right, you guys, if you haven't subscribed, I mean, look at me. Like, why would you not? See what you have me doing here. So make sure you like, comment, sub, and ring the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. This is so odd. Okay, I think I'm up. I think I'm up top. Am I up top?
I think you've got a good amount in.
Do you know what? Let's just dump the whole thing. Hey ho. If we didn't do this living on the edge, what did we do? Right, okay, that one's empty now. I'm not sure if I wonder if I can feel in how in I am. Okay. I might layer up some more. I'm going to try and empty them all out. It is a big canvas. And let's face it, a lot of it is going to end up off canvas. So I think let's just go full up top and see what we end up with. Do you know, I'm feeling pretty good now. Like I literally haven't spilled anything so far.
That's what you think.
Oh, okay, thanks. Just when I thought it's going well. There should be another one, yeah. And let's hope like I'm literally pouring this in the cup and not like on the side of the cup. That would be silly. Okay. Okay. Do I need to like move a little bit of stuff out?
I think so, yeah.
Is that good or more?
Just a little bit more. I think that's probably good enough.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Like I feel like every step of this is nerve-wracking. Okay. I'm just like feeling out my surface area and trying to get to the center. I'm thinking like this is the center. I did splash some paint on the canvas, didn't I? I just felt it. Okay, that's fine. That's not too bad. We're going to cover that up anyway. Okay, so here is where I want to pour. Okay, going for it. We're doing this. I can hear it. It's all happening. And there should ideally be a puddle of paint on the canvas. Okay, I just want to take a moment to breathe. I'm legit stressed. Like, I'm literally stressed. Like, this is, you know, like my shoulders tighten up and like when I'm like overwhelmed or stressed, and that's literally happening right now. So yeah. Okay, I feel like I need a drink. Okay, let's do this. I am gonna try and slowly tilt. This is the tricky bit because we want to cover the canvas, but at the same time, keep the paint on the canvas, if that makes sense. So hopefully I will hear it when it starts to drip on the...
It's been dripping. Oh.
Why can't I hear it? Oh no! Oh my goodness, this is going so bad. This is going very wrong, isn't it? Why can't I feel any paint? Oh, okay. Yeah. So it seems like it's all to the one side. Why can't I feel any paint?
It's flowing slowly. It's getting there.
Okay, because the thing is, I haven't used these acrylic paints before, so I don't even know the consistency and as to how quickly they flow. So this is stressful. I almost do not recommend anyone doing this unless you're prepared to be completely stressed. Right.
I think you need to hold it that way for a bit longer.
You know when you say that way, like I don't know. Okay.
The way you just had it, yeah. Just keep it tilted. Just let it go to the edge. Okay. And I think there's just one more edge. The opposite, almost the opposite edge has a little bit space left. A bit more away from you. Away from you, not towards.
I almost don't even know what that means anymore. I'm so... Listen, I'm so disoriented. Away from me. Okay, away from me.
Yes. A bit more. More. Tilted more. Further. You're being very like...
Cautious,
yeah.
Yeah, I want to...
Holding back too much.
Yeah, I want to have...
Tilt it away from you, more.
Okay. Is it like literally naked on that side, is it?
Not naked, but there's a little spot you missed. Unless you want to deal with that after you take the blind.
No,
or you could use your fingers while you're blindfolded to try and...
I want to keep it as organic as it is. Okay. So I'd like to, like, I can address the edges after, but
So maybe, like, turn it a little bit so you can get a feel, like, get it to your direction, because you're not really tilting it the way you want it.
So towards me?
No, like, turn it so that the side comes towards you, the side that's uncovered.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
You mean?
Keep going, yeah. Just so I can guide you which edge needs to be filled. Bit more. Going a bit more. Okay, now the edge is towards you that needs to be filled, so you can tilt it towards you. Looks like it's not flowing as much anymore.
I mean, I'm just not tilting it enough, to be honest.
I think the paint has thickened up a bit already, so...
Okay.
I don't think it's flowing.
Should we just go with it and then I can address it after?
the most you can get right now.
How do my hands look? Yay, I feel like we should take a picture like this. A still can come out of it. Okay, so... I'm just like feeling out if I can see where I'm missing. Is it like literally the edge where I'm missing, or is it like
it's where your finger is right now. Yeah, you got it.
Shall I just,
that's good.
Oops. Shall I just pick some of the plastic and
covered
put
that
it
edge
on.
now, so I think that's fine. But
I've covered it, yeah?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I'm starting to have fun now.
So you can run your fingers along the sides just to get the sides a bit even.
Okay.
I think that's the only thing.
I'm just gonna like dab because I don't want to meld all the colors and end up with like an ugly brown color. Or, you know, it might be too late for that. Anyway, so, okay. So, that's it. In the end, I had fun. I think now, once I got messy, it was fun. So this is our beautiful artwork, if I may say so. Have a closer look. And I need to take my blindfold off, but before that, I need to get my hands clean. How are we gonna do this?
There you go.
Thank you. It'd be nice not to drop them into the canvas. Okay, I'm still very painty.
I think you should just try to get your blindfold off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it off. Doing it. Okay, wow. Okay. Okay. Do you know what is better than what I thought it would be? So it's very green. It's very yellowish, bluish. What were the colors? Okay. Did I not get all of these right?
You did get all of them right. I mean, as far as greens go, there's two
of them,
greens.
yeah. There's like this is more like a tealy one. And that's more like a forest green.
You didn't get like the green, you got more of the teal, but that's pretty close. And you did get the rest of them correct.
In the right order?
In the right order as well.
No. Seriously?
Yeah. People are gonna think this is fake.
I know, they would think this was like totally rigged.
It's an illusion.
I'm brilliant, what can I say?
I'm not buying it.
So, okay. Two things. It's too green for my taste, but at the same time, like I love what's going on in here. Like if you come in close, there's like some fun marbly vibes happening. Like I love the blue peak. I really like the blue. I wish we had more of the yellow. The orange has made some nice cells around here, which is fun. I just wish the green was a little less. And it's funny because even though I used this green, we kind of ended up getting more of this green, which is, I think,
the yellow.
Yeah, that's it.
Mixing.
Yeah, so the yellow and green mixed and made this. Good thing I didn't pick two of these, because that would just be a green canvas. Yeah. So, should have actually left that out.
Aside from the orange and the yellow, it kind of looks like abstract
earth.
The earth, yeah.
And that's what I was thinking. It's giving me earth vibes. That was fun. That was so much fun. If I get insane amount of views, or if this goes viral, on the odd occasion that it does, we might try another one and we might take it up another notch, maybe resin. And I would literally be crazy if I did that. But we'll see. So I hope you've enjoyed this one and I shall see you in the next one. Before I go, I will show you how this turns out once it's all dry. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.